Ah. Watch me now draw the bomb.
Your turn.
That normally happens to me first round.
Just because we all miss the screaming kids. What does this do? What does this do?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, bad. Oh.
Well,
Has anybody
that was
played
one
this game in
diffuse.
real life?
Yes, I own it in real life.
Do you
I had the
also
expansion
feel like
pack.
the bomb comes out much earlier in this game than in real life?
No, not necessarily.
Usually when I like shuffle the deck and stuff, the bomb comes out a good 3 rounds in.
Do you mind if I steal?
Come on, shut you down.
I see the future.
Okay.
Is it safe?
You're good.
Sure.
You're good. I promise you.
Your turn.
Hey! You never know with both.
I see the future.
So last round, this guy used 4
Attack.
Hey!
Do you mind if I steal?
We're saying the last round somebody used for what?
He used 4 to see the futures.
Oh, damn.
It
I
was one
see
game. Like he
the
just had it every
future.
time.
Bah!
Skip.
You have another skip.
Oh shit.
I'm shuffling.
You should have shuffled the same again. Oh, that was funny.
Oh yeah.
Well, you do have wait, who hasn't used the? I've got a better. Sorry, I have a better shot at getting a diffuse from you.
Yep.
But not you're gonna give me one. But something good. Give me something good. Give me something good. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Give me your
Do you
diffuse. Give me
mind
your
if I
diffuse. Give me your
steal?
diffuse.
50% chance.
Nothing personal, dude.
Oh.
I didn't get it. Read no body language here.
No, I'm not happy. I'm mad.
Hmm.
So I'm curious what your last card
Do
is.
me a favor.
Are any of you guys friends in real life? Because if so, you need better friends if either of these guys are your friends in real life. I mean, me, I'm a stranger.
I will take that.
I'm a
I
total
will
stranger.
take
So
that, and I would
gotta
use
do
it on this guy.
Do me a favor.
No, you won't.
Oh.
How am I? Oh, reset this. Oh,
Okay.
I see the future.
do you see the future? I got to do like he does.
I see the future.
I hate gambling.
And there's the kid.
There's always one. It's weird, considering you're not supposed to play this game under the age of 13. It seems like most of the VR players are under 13.
Well, you're not even supposed to be on Quest if you're younger than 13.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
So,
What?
you know, that third button down,
Oh,
That,
the left controller, third
that-
thing down, and mute.
What are you talking about?
After a little while.
wait, are you Scottish?
Huh?
I'm Scottish, yeah.
Fucking brilliant. Finally found a Scotsman online. What a shame he's not
Attack.
Oh, really? Who's Scottish?
the little kid.
Lewis! Should
Oh,
have known.
I muted him.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No offense, Lewis. I'm sure you're a great little dude, but you know, this is the insult only table.
Pencil juice.
Pencil juice.
That's water.
Is Lewis cursing me
I know
out?
what water is.
I don't need to know.
I mean, pencil juice is water.
A water.
Hi.
And now I go away.
It's kind of a joke at this point that on the server that we're on, there are no active Europeans at all. So anytime I want to play a game, a VR game, I have to wait till like midnight.
Oh, okay.
It's about the Discord server that we team up on. Yeah, such
Occasionally
well,
I try
you
my
know,
luck that maybe someone's taking a day off work or a holiday, but apparently you Americans just don't take time off.
Nah,
No,
not
we
much,
don't get
not
time
like you
off.
guys,
We work
not
till we
like
die.
2 weeks at a time and all that fancy stuff.
No, we work until we die.
Ah, merde.
But Mr.
What
B
year did
is
it,
European and Satan Slayer, so sorry guys, out of context.
I've never
Don't
seen
know
them
what we're talking
active
about.
on the server.
Satan Slayers, maybe not just recently, but they both do pop up every once in a while. You can drag them into a game now and then.
Yeah, I need to find more VR friends because I don't have hardly anyone that plays VR with me.
What do you play?
A little bit of
Oh,
everything, man. I got
fuck.
that
Oh,
Cave
no.
Eater stew that
He's
I've been
not in the
into.
game. Oh no.
What's it called? Dungeons of Eternity.
Oh, we were actually just talking about playing that
Yeah.
after this.
That game. I mean, I'll add y'all because I play that game all
Yeah,
the time.
you can join us.
It'd be nice to get a game with more than just one other player.
Are you shady?
No.
I don't like that laugh. I don't like that.
I mean,
Funny
what's the
thing,
bomb
Boris, is I actually tried to give you the bomb, but I didn't realize that he wasn't in the game. So actually,
Sorry, you would have
you
gave
were
it to
gonna
me.
get the bomb.
Oh, now am I gonna actually get it?
Yep.
Oh, jeez!
You shuffled
I
into it.
put
man.
the bomb on the last place. And you shovel it to the front.
And 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Thank you.
Skip.
Skip. Oh, skip. You've used your diffuse already, right, bro?
One of them.
Do you have another?
I don't think I should say. I'm a very honest and open person, but in the confines of this game, in the stable.
Does not use the diffuse.
No, we've all used diffuse.
Fuck it. Sure, disadvantage. Oh, that's not the button I use.
See, I hope they put the expansions into this game. Because the expansions make this game fun as heck, especially when you can choose who you're attacking and stuff.
Oh, what? You can... Oh, yay.
On the fly swatter one, you can't.
Do you mind if I steal?
Well, he's gonna know if he got a diffuser now.
I guess so. God, dude, I need dinner hurts.
Shuffle. Okay, that wasn't worth it.
I mean, we literally did that to him. So.
That was scary.
Come, goes around, comes around.
Oh. Shit.
I got no defenses, so.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Do I risk it for the biscuit, or do I die happy? I should not risk it.
Attack.
I would laugh if the one card he would have drawn was an attack and just sent it right back to me.
That would be nice, but I can't use this on the no.
Oh.
Okay.
Attack.
Oh.
Attack.
Oh!
Oh. Oh.
Whoa.
I got nothing. Thought we were gonna get a triple no for a second.
Yeah. Wait, but I can see my
I
doom.
see the future.
Do you have a shovel?
Yeah.
No, this is nothing.
How doomed are you?
I am actually not completely doomed.
Oh.
I am completely doomed. Because I can't do this. Oh, God, I hate you. I hate you. Oh, come on. Kitty, eat the kitty. Eat the box. Get in the box, kitty. Well done, well done.
Oh, it's lost in.
Oh, let me see if I can put him online. Nope, no reply from Bad Ed. He must have passed it out. Alright, another one?
Yeah.
I'm surprised no one else has joined it. It's just
All right. Let's get to
Well, I guess maybe little Lewis put out the word that we're bad people.
good. Good job. Go around and say, hey, no one's winning server 11.
Watch. Right off the jump. Nah.
Cool. Oh, dang. Okay. Okay.
Oh, no! You rat bastard.
Someone was gonna get it. Does he do the dirty?
That's a shifty looking face. But if he's looking at you, you know he's not giving it to you.
I'm shuffling.
Oh, there he did. It's going to me, wasn't it?
No, he was
No, it was going to him because you notice how the only person he didn't look at was he looked away.
I see the future.
Nope. Just kidding.
Sorry, bro. Full table.
Ay, 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 ay. Okay.
I'm assuming you didn't do that for no reason at all?
Skip.
Hey.
Hey, I mean, I'm not telling you to turn on your mic, but it's not on.
Attack.
I know it's
Okay, cool.
I just don't care.
Nope, cool.
Are you sure about that?
Attack.
I see the future.
The future says I should shuffle.
I'm shuffling.
Oh, no!
That was like the smoothest note too. He goes,
I just discovered something.
there's nothing.
I've been using the trigger button to
Why I don't talk to
target people all this time. You can do back the slingshot.
Do me a favor.
Oh, you can? I didn't know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yep, I think you're on his shit list.
Give me a catermelon. Motherfucker.
That means gosh darn it in Scottish.
We had to make sure he didn't win 2 times in a row, right?
turn.
He's won at more than half the times I've played with him.
Yeah, I'm playing this game a lot. I'm very good at this game.
Which means everybody
Attack.
helps.
Whoa.
Oh man, he's going with a heavy attack.
5, 5, 6.
Do me a favor.
Do I get to choose?
Yes.
Oh. Schrödinger's Katze. Thank you. Okay. What is this? Oh.
I'm gonna risk it. Nope, I shouldn't have risked it. There's another piece.
What's this?
What? Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to put it there. Darn it!
You could have put it somewhere else, and it was just two in a row.
Somewhere else on the second place.
Your turn.
Can't guess the cat.
Do me a favor. I'm shuffling.
Yay.
Attack.
I don't trust it.
Your turn. I see the future.
This guy in the see the future, man. He stockpiles them.
Be gone. Be gone. Thank you. Hey, boy, look at this flag here and wave it. It does something really cool.
No, I'm not giving up. I know what that flag does.
Ooh.
What did you do?
Man, this game is good.
It's your turn.
Oh gosh.
I just know he usually puts it in the last spot.
What?
Usually.
I know it.
You like it.
There's more than one bomb.
I know, I'm missing.
You sure you want to put it there?
Oh, that's right. It goes all the way back to me. Darn it. I miscalculated.
I'm
I'll
shuffling.
save you, don't worry.
Thank you.
Because now I shuffled it and I'll get the bomb.
It's your turn.
Okay.
I see the future.
No more future.
Whoa.
Oh,
Someone got a nope his nope? Come on.
Just stockpile those things.
That's what I'm saying. He's like, I don't understand
I
how he
see
gets so many of them every
the
time.
future.
Good luck.
He said good luck.
Attack. Skip.
Ui.
Skip.
Oh god.
Do you see what's in your
Your
future?
turn.
Yeah. Ooh.
Do you mind if I steal?
Schrödingers Katze.
Do you mind if I steal?
Dead. No.
He had that many. He had to. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm dead.
I can't do faster in this game.
Why? Bomb, bomb. And when you put it on the first place, bomb, bomb. But
No defense. I'm done.
It's your turn.
oh,
Oh, I win.
Oh, well done.
All I had was a watermelon cat. I couldn't do anything else.
So another one, or is it?
Yeah.
No, dude, we got a game going. No, it's
Hey, man.
This guy Pro just hit it.
Cancel.
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 There we go.
Hit it.
Alright. I'm in.
Pro, go find another lobby, dude.
All right, let's get to work.